chill out. We outside. Yo, about team, we outside. Yeah, man.
In the middle of Ghana.
Yo, this is place, man.
That shit parked out there. Good looking, y'all.
You never thought Meek Mill come to Ghana ride with you? Celebrities don't do this.